Hey world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we're looking at this lovely thing. It's the Pink Lemonade pocket knives from Rough Rider. Okay, and the code on this one is 1266. Okay, and then Rough Rider, and it's one of these older style boxes. Okay, so let's look at the Pink Lemonade. Now, I love this thing, not because of the pink, but because of that. Look at the wonderful shield we have on this guy. Smooth pink bone. We have this beautiful little lemon over there. Nice inlay. Everything's flush. Everything's beautiful. No big R's. Nice rings on the bolsters. No pinches. Beautiful. Okay. And then we have our beautiful long thin clip point blade. We have the back-to-back R over there. And then we have the code in China, 440 razor sharp steel as always, slightly hollow ground. This thing is marvelous. Then we can see we have two beautiful channels separated by brass. Now this is an interesting or a cool pattern because it's my first one in this pattern. Okay. And here we have a beautiful long clip blade. Back-to-back R, slightly hollow ground. We have a match strike nail neck. Very cool. Do you see that? We have two of the same blades. Two clip blades. Okay, and that's what makes this a muskrat. Okay, a muskrat pattern knife is something that fur traders used to skin muskrats and beavers and all kinds of small furry critters. Okay, now why do we have two of these blades? Because if you are skinning a beaver or a muskrat and you did like the 20th one and now your blade is dull, you can just close it and go to the other side. That's why the clip blade is so nice and thin, so it's a good skinning blade. Okay, beautiful. So this is a cool pattern. I really like the muskrat thing, and I will definitely be looking into getting more muskrats in future. Beautiful clean back spacer, back springs, little bit of gap, but so small, nobody in their right mind should care about that. No liners, just the smooth pink bone. I do see some gapping around the shield. Do you see? Can you see it? Little bit there at the top and at the back. Okay, so there we have some gapping. But still, it's my first Pink Lemonade series and it's my first muskrat. And I'm very, very impressed with the size of this thing. Okay, nice 4-finger blade. Nice to pinch. And I like clip blades. Clip blades, that's why almost everything has a clip blade on it, because it's just so versatile. Even these thin ones, I think they call these California clips. Beautiful. Okay, so I will be looking at getting more of these muskrats in my future. And that's wonderful. Now, I made a short of this thing already, but I will show you this at a later stage. I've been using it for pretty much everything. It's the Rat 1.5 in Magna Cut. Okay, you can't see it now, but it is. Okay, I love this thing. So, I will show you that. Somebody left a comment and said 10 years ago, Rat was great value for money, but not today. Yeah, I'm gonna disagree with that, because I still think the Rat 1 in D2 is pretty much perfection. And this one is just bridging a very needed gap. So we'll talk about that at a later stage. I know I said I'm going to show you the razor and whatnot. We'll see. We still have a few days left, so we will have more videos. Today was a bit... Oh, and the Wahl knife. Yes, we will do that custom pickled steel Wahl knife. I will show that to you comprehensively. At this stage, I'm still cutting meat with it and seeing how awesome it is. Yeah, spoiler, I love it. But yesterday we went to hospital. My son had pins and plates and stuff removed from his arm. So that was a whole day thing. Yeah, so no braais, no nothing interesting. Today we're all just lying around here at home. Because, yeah, it was a rough day yesterday. Anyway, Oh, I'll show you the pins and stuff. I'm thinking about having it incorporated into a custom knife for my son. Okay, but we'll do that later, closer to Baobab Knife Show, when I can actually show people and talk to them. Yes, check my hospital trip if you want to. All of you, stay safe, happy, have a good one. And see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Okay, very early in the morning, hospital waiting room. And we're waiting to get this little guy's pins removed from his arm. Okay, so this is the hardware that lived inside Little Man. Nice life scales out of these, I think. Okay, we're back in the room. Little guy's here. Everything went well. And now I'm done with this.